Díomh Gallair, Darragh O'Brien here, new Minister for Housing, Local Government and Heritage, and just want to give all my Fianna Fáil colleagues across the country an update on the work that I've been doing in the last 3-4 weeks as Minister. Firstly, it's a great honour, fantastic honour to be asked by our Taoiseach to serve as Minister for Housing. I want to thank all of you, all party members and public reps across the country, for your really kind messages of support. I genuinely appreciate it. To give you a little update, what we campaigned on in the general election remains my absolute focus: delivering public housing on public land, making a real impact on homelessness, and launching affordable housing for working people so that our young people are going to have a chance to own their own home at an affordable rate. I'm working on that scheme right now. I intend to bring that forward this autumn. We're going to see good on our commitment that we've given in the programme for government, and that is Fianna Fáil policy that's been core to our beliefs. I'm also going to empower our local authorities to deliver more public homes on public land. I've visited a number of areas already where I've seen the great collaboration between our local authorities and our approved housing bodies. I want to ramp that up and ramp up that delivery. Obviously with COVID we've had a slowdown in the construction sector. I'm mindful of that as well, but only this week I'm putting a call out for our local authorities to acquire more homes, particularly focusing on single people so we can drive down the homeless level. I'm getting a lot of feedback and good ideas from members, from our councillors across the country, from my colleagues in the Dáil and in the Seanad, and I'd ask you to continue bringing forward your ideas to me. I'm delighted to have this job. This is somewhere that our party, Fianna Fáil, can make a real difference. We've a great track record on housing, something that we should be proud of, and I intend to build on that further, to end homelessness, as I've said, to drive those figures down, and to put home ownership at an affordable rate back at the centre of housing delivery. So that's just a short update. Do please keep in touch. There's lots of other really important things happening in this department, on the heritage side, on the planning side as well. But today, for my first message to you, I just wanted to focus on the housing piece. So Gura Míle Mágaibh Gallair, also the takeíocht. Really appreciate all your support. Slán.